got some durian here.
This is how you feed a Japanese koi fish. Today Amy's learning how to ride a scooter. The Italian gelato speed race over here. Yeah.
I managed to track down and go to the circus for the first time. As you can see, I like to be a bit of a clown myself.
Good morning. We have risen nice and early this morning to go see the Angkor Wat. It's a wee bit dark, but we are approaching the temple as we speak. It smells like lemon wood out here. Booyakasha! Let's go in Temple Run, ready to go. VIP treatment. What's your favourite part about the sculptures? After a delicious bit of papaya for breakfast, I'm going to go plant some seeds here at Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat? After her 15-second training lesson, Amy is now a pro.
Oh, close.
Very. Just out here trying to breastfeed, and she is the centre of attention. What an adventure!
We
Going
are.
exploring the ruins together. Shall we go for a segment?
Let's go.
Say hello. Hello.
If you don't have what you need and you can't find it, make it. Everyone loves a MacGyver. This I call the poo with a view.
We just had a fish feeding session and now King Kong has come out. Sorry, Godzilla. Amazing race. Here we go. Booyakasha! The detail on these things is absolutely insane. We've got our little gold leaf and a flower getting ready to donate to the Buddha. Because I am. Into me. We were out last night, went to Khao San Road, got our first show of the Magic Razor Blade Punani. Was it good? I thought it was a little bit hectic, but I enjoyed it. How about you?
I don't think I can look at a vagina the same way.
Okay, done. So today we're doing something a little bit more civilized and going down to the Grand Temple, go see the Emerald Buddha. Chilaku. We love going around and looking at old stuff. However, every time you go to look at old things that are cool historically, you realise that tourists are like flies to shit, and they're all here too. Nice.
The best part of the whole ordeal was taking your shoes off. We've got an incoming!
Que tocaba.
I want that one. The best part by a country mile is all the food you can get, and it's cheap. It's probably like 15 bucks back home. The best.
And nuts! Today we've arrived at the Coffee Cart Koi Fish feeding cafe. Love the koi fish. Got one tatted on my arm. Yeah, boy.
Take a little adventure with me through the misty lands.
This is how you feed a Japanese koi fish. We've arrived at the Buddha.
This is what they call the Tuesday Buddha.
I love the Tuesday Buddha.
So finally I'm in my element. Get to take my shoes off and go for a walk. We've got some good terrain here, so we're jumping back into the hot seat.
Rightio, so we've got some durian here. It's a funky
Okay.
fruit, but we're gonna try it.
It's kind of got like a custard center. It's got like a mild sweet, but the texture's really weird. It's really sweet. It's
I
almost
get
like
it, but I
custardy.
don't like it.
Yeah.
Donald Trump got nothing on that.
Spoils of war. And that's it. Cheers, brothers and sisters. Thanks for watching. If you like that one, which I know you did, subscribe and leave a comment below. And when you're done that, check out one of these next videos.